It's Cleveland
Uy,
also.
pwede mo.
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight.
Assalamualaikum and hello. Welcome back to Khitab's TV. Yes, in today's vlog, we are going to take you to a long road trip going to Tawam Hospital in Al Ain. More or less 2-hour drive from Sharjah. By the way guys, this is the first day of the Eid holiday here in UAE. So most of employees here were having 5 days vacation. As I've said, it's gonna be a long vacation. That's why we have planned to have a surprise visit to my sister-in-law's accommodation in Al Ain. I think she's been there for almost a month with my niece Zandra for her radiation treatment. That's why we have thought to better take them home, so at least to have a break and of course to be with her family. Also, the good thing is she doesn't have the treatment for these holidays. By the way, she is a breast cancer patient and soon a cancer survivor, alhamdulillah. But for now, let's enjoy the ride. One more thing guys, for those who are in UAE and planning to visit Al Ain, PCR negative result is a must because they will ask this at the boundaries checkpoint.
500 meters. At the roundabout, take the second exit.
The deer. Look at this deer. Maybe you will.
Tawam roundabout.
Exit the roundabout.
Finally, we reached to our destination. Oh, this place is quite big and you really can drive around. Can you see that long white covered tent? That's the new expanded pediatric, emergency, and oncology departments, allowing the hospital to accommodate a higher number of patients. And that building is a supermarket. So that's Tawam Hospital's Oncology Center. This is the main national cancer treatment center as well as a regional referral center. Driving in this side of the accommodations compound feels like I'm in one of the location of the Walking Dead series. It looks a little bit creepy for me. Look, there are more vacant lots, dead trees, and you cannot even see people walking around. It's a prank! Did you get scared? Sorry for that. So now let's go to the real prank. So her husband and son will go first to surprise them. Sorry, we did not able to capture the moment.
A few moments later.
But let me give you a room tour instead. Let's put a little drama. Zabi Boy will open the door for us. In all fairness, the room is really big. And take note, it's only for free.
It's only for free.
It's a one-bedroom fully furnished flat. So this is the living room. That's an extra bed, TV console, sofas. And there's a balcony here where they can dry their clothes. And from here you can see your neighboring buildings. And you will see a big open space where you can do exercise. Or better yet, if you have your kids, you can play around here. The place is really nice and it was so peaceful. This is the kitchen area. This is the toilet and bathroom / laundry area. This is the kitchen door. He's showing the daily tissue supplies. And we're taking them home too. The guard left, so I can show you now the bedroom. There's one bed and a 2-door cabinet. So I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next vlog. Keep safe everyone. Goodbye.